Alright, biometric usually used for a high security purpose. For example, if you are working at the bank, usually they will recognize your iris before you can enter the bank. Okay, usually, but basically they are using the fingerprint only. Okay, so when it comes to biometric device, biometrics means bio is your physical. I think bio is your physical, metrics how to measure. So how this machine want to measure that your physical is the correct person to access the system. That's why biometric is verifying the physical or behavioral characteristic of that person. So for example, we look at the next slide. We have fingerprint reader. Fingerprint means fingerprint. This one is your fingerprint. Okay, you need to use your fingerprint before you can access to something or to the building. And then we have the face recognition. This one is your face. Okay, there are several laptops that are using face recognition as a password, but be careful because maybe you set your password during lunch, so your face looks like an artist. But when you want to use your laptop after you woke up from your sleep, the system cannot recognize because that time your face like Shayapon. Okay, and then we also have hand geometry. This one is your hand geometry. We have a system that you need to put your hand so that it can know who you are. We also have the voice verification system. So voice verification system usually can be used in your voice input. So let's say Apple, they are using the Siri. Google, nowadays they are using the Bixby. Okay, and then we also have the signature verification. So this signature verification is your signature. Usually at the bank, they are using the signature to verify that you are the correct person for that account. And then the last one is iris recognition. We also have the retina recognition system. So what is the difference between iris and retina? So let's say I'm drawing an eye right now. Okay, so at this outside of the eye, this one we call is as iris. Retinals is this one, the round one which have iris inside it. So that is how biometric recognize personal characteristics before that people can access to the files or buildings.